morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I will introduce myself. My name is Isnaini. I am 30 years old. My date of birth 20 December 1995. I come from Lombok of Indonesia. My height is 155 cm. My weight is 55 kg. My last education junior high school. I'm married. I'm Muslim. I have two sons. Number 1, 12 years old. Number 2, 7 years old. I have two sisters and I number 2 in my family. I have experience before in Saudi Arabia for years. My job is take care of children, cooking, clean the house, washing and iron clothes. I can speak English but still learning. I can handle pork but I cannot eat pork. I'm not afraid of dog. I can cook Indonesia food, example sayur balado, sop ayam, sop daging. I can cook Chinese food, example steamed fish, steamed egg, capcay. I want to go to Singapore because I need money for me and my family. I promise be honest, will be good to my job. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.